Ethereum and XRP whales are dumping their coins ahead of key events, and is Bitcoin in for another red September like every year? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, not financial advice, and wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin starts September with a whimper, as both the monthly and weekly close sparked the Bitcoin price downside. Trading near spot demand at $57,000, Bitcoin is decidedly lacking bullish sentiment, as analysis shows lack of interest among traders. Is the market in for another Rectember? This month's status as a red patch for Bitcoin returns is well established, but not every forecaster prepares for the worst. The mid $60,000 range still has traction as a short-term Bitcoin price target, and September also marks the deadline for Bitcoin's post-halving reaccumulation range to complete. TraderSkew writes, for most of the past week, there's been a clear spot buyer around 58K, which is important context on bounces. Currently, price is around spot demand, but we'll need to see confirmations of demand with taker and passive buyers. Skew nonetheless highlighted a broad lack of interest in derivatives markets at current prices, suggesting that funding rates may thus stay negative or low for the time being. He added, I do see overall the market is likely to favor shorts from here as a hedge with the past week of spot selling. However, practically no growth in market positioning since the sell-off to 58K. This tells me people have stepped away from trading. Other traders saw potential for a push into local lows before any relief for bulls, with estimates including 56,000 and 54,000. Madero writes, it's more likely they'll push the price to 56K and sweep Tuesday's lows before moving to upward. Remember, they may still want to scam hard by pushing the price to 49K, Monday, August 5th low. If the bounce is going to happen after 56K, then my expectation is 60.5K as the first move, then 65K. Since August 31st, the amount of Ethereum sent to exchanges has been gradually increasing, and this surge coincides with ETH facing strong resistance at the $27.50 price level. As of now, ETH is trading under $2,500, and if selling pressure continues to mount, ETH risks further decline. As ETH faces strong resistance at $27.50, holders are increasingly sending their coins to exchanges, as shown by the rising exchange reserves. According to CryptoQuant, 19 million ETH, valued at $47 billion, are now held on exchange wallets, a 1% increase over the past week, the highest level since August 22nd. An assets exchange reserve tracks the total number of its coins or tokens held on cryptocurrency exchanges. A spike in this metric often suggests that holders are moving their assets to exchanges with the intent to sell. This results in a general uptick in selling pressure, leading to a price drop if the selling outweighs buying interest. The decline in ETH's large holders' net flow confirms that whales have also adopted a bearish approach, and since the coin's price fell below $3,000 at the beginning of August, they have gradually reduced their exposure. Into the Blocks data shows that ETH's large holders' net flow has decreased by 17% over the past 30 days and by 36% in the past week. This metric measures the difference between the coins that large investors buy and the amount they sell over a specific period. When it falls, it suggests a drop in whale holdings, and it's a bearish signal, suggesting that key holders are selling their coins. This often prompts retail investors to follow suit, exacerbating an asset's price decline. If the selling pressure continues to strengthen, ETH's price could fall by another 14%, potentially dropping to $2,100. On the other hand, if the leading altcoin witnesses a resurgence in new demand, this may drive its price up towards $2,600. XRP whales have ignited severe investor concerns, heavily dumping their holdings ahead of a $125 million settlement between Ripple and the SEC. On-chain data point out nearly 1 billion XRP moved over the past day, raising speculations on the cryptocurrency's future price movements. Moreover, recent massive escrow movements by the American blockchain payments firm have further propelled speculations on XRP's price action ahead. According to on-chain data revealed by Whale Alert on September 2nd, a whopping 1 billion XRP was shifted to Ripple over the past day by whales in a series of transactions. Moreover, a 20 million XRP dump was made to Bitstamp Exchange by a well-known whale address. These transactions, underscoring increased selling pressure on the asset, have sparked bearish sentiment among market participants. Notably, the dump transactions appear to be on the rise, with $125 million payment to the SEC looming this week. The crypto firm is set to pay $125 million in a legal maneuver in the XRP lawsuit this week, and the company also has $200 million in XRP coins from the unlocks. The Ctrl Wallet's mobile beta is launching in September. Ctrl Wallet shared on X, 21,000 plus users have signed up to test the Ctrl Mobile Wallet Beta, and emails are going out now with the info. Spots are limited, so we've launched the Control Chats community program to prioritize access for our most engaged supporters. As a Control Chat, you'll be the first to test the wallet, earn rewards for bug hunting, enjoy zero swap fees during testing, and help grow the community. The Control Wallet supports millions of assets and NFTs, and the number of supported chains is 1,800 and counting. That's a massive amount. No other wallet offers this diversity. You don't need a MetaMask or Rabby for your EVM chains or a Phantom wallet for Solana. You can now find all that in your Ctrl Wallet. This also means that you'll no longer need a third-party app to bridge between ecosystems. In other words, the wallet offers its own aggregator. This aggregator functions as a bridge and DEX, and as a result, you can trade more than 10,000 assets on various networks. But that's not all, you can also migrate them between various ecosystems. There's no need anymore to leave your Ctrl Wallet. And the cherry on top is their gas tank option. There's no longer a need to have all kinds of different crypto assets to pay gas fees. Ctrl Wallet offers a gas tank feature and allows for USDC or its native XDeFi token as deposits. And we also have a link which you can find below for the early access mobile wallet beta that'll let you move up in the waiting list faster if you sign up with it. So check it out, link down below. NFL Rivals, an officially licensed mobile football game from Mythical Games, announced on Friday that its second in-game season will launch on September 5th alongside the real-world season kickoff of the National Football League. Mythical Games said that the mobile game attracted over 5 million downloads and more than 115 million games played in its first season. Its second season, called Year 2, will introduce new game modes, distinctive pack drops, and new ways for fans to engage with the sport. Earlier this week, Mythical also announced that it inked a deal with the current Super Bowl champions, the Kansas City Chiefs, which named NFL Rivals the team's official mobile game. The alliance includes branding opportunities for the game within the team's Arrowhead Stadium, along with other collaborations. John Linden, CEO of Mythical Games, said we have a slate of activations in and out of the game to deepen our player engagement with the NFL Rivals brand in football season. We want the player community to be integral to this game, meaning more engagement and more interactions with our awesome players. The iOS and Android football game sees players act as team general managers, make plays, and try to win games against the league's teams. While it acts like a traditional free-to-play game at the core, NFL Rivals is built around the optional NFT player cards, with the studio adding an in-game marketplace last August to streamline the process of trading digital collectibles. The addition of an NFT marketplace within took the game to a new level, and Linden believes adding another dimension to NFT Rivals not possible otherwise. He also believes that the introduction of the new player versus player mode is slated to have a similar effect on the future of mobile gaming.